Kuyang knows, for the night, it is important to have a clear trading plan and stick to it. Emotion-driven decisions can lead to losses. Mula yan kay Kuyang John Arnold. No? So, there is a trade plan. No? So, whatever the market will be doing, there is already a plan. The key here is to stick to the plan. Most of us will react immediately without looking at the chart.
Uy, naku, wala na talaga to. Sell. Back. Wala na talaga to. Cut.
Kung kailan binuhusan or kung kailan binomba, doon tayo gumagawa na reaction. So, instantly, tapo na yung trading plan natin. You go back to your plan. You go back to the trade plan. So, do not make emotional decisions. Make time para silipin ulit yung chart, reassess the situation, go back to your trade plan all the time. It is better if you have a journal for that para lagi kang meron papalikan. At yan ang ating Kuyang Knows for the night. Please follow and share for more.